This year, of course, the GSA recognizes the accomplishments of outstanding individuals in its series of awards. Right now, let's hear from the Young Scientist Award winner, Naomi Levin.
A lot of my work has been in Eastern Africa, so over the last 5 to 6 million years over the time span of human evolution, and the work is centered on trying to figure out the environments in which humans have evolved and the environmental context for that, and relating it to climate change. So I do sedimentology, I do field geology, and then I also collect my samples, bring them back to the lab, and then I'm an isotope geochemist as well. So I analyze the samples to sort of expand, to squeeze more information out of them about climate and environment. I started my career with a sort of circuitous path, which is the classic product of the American education system of the liberal arts education, which is whatever you're interested, follow your interest. So I was really interested in history and archaeology and classics as a high schooler, and I came to college and with an open mind, but didn't think I was interested in science. And then I started taking archaeology classes and got interested in thinking about how humans interact with their environment. And I thought, man, I really got to take more of this geology. So I sort of took all of my geology at the end of my undergraduate career, and then hopped right to doing a master's with Jay Quaid at the University of Arizona. And that first year we went to Ethiopia and collected a bunch of samples, and I've actually been so that was in 2001, and I've been working there ever since. So that was my entree into field geology in East Africa and then isotope geochemistry. A lot of those and a lot of the growth in our field is learning new analytical techniques or thinking about old analytical techniques and how we can expand them and how we can build them more. And so I think a lot of the questions that I've actually particularly applied to East Africa, I'm now starting to branch out to other areas. So working in South Africa, or even for my postdoc, I worked in the Archean, so jumping back billions of years, and a lot of the same premises that I've learned in East Africa, you can sort of start to expand. So expanding the applications, but then also expanding the kinds of tools that we use, the kind of geochemical tools. It's extremely nice to be appreciated by the greater community and to be one of, many young scientists who could have gotten this award. And so it's a nice recognition from the work that I've done, but then I also think that it's a huge incentive and sort of to actually buckle down and put my head down and to continue to do sort of more work. So the award in some ways is to do justice to it. I've really got to continue the work that I've started.